How's it going? My name's John with Blackbird Productions and welcome back to another video. Today we're actually back in Tesla and I think it's gonna rain. There's a huge cloud right above me and it just came right over and just ruined all my lighting. So I'm sorry if it's dark, but I'm gonna try my best in post to blow this up a little bit just so you guys can see me a little bit better. But anyway, we're talking about a couple of things that you can utilize to set up your new 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance. I kind of encompassed this video in somewhat of a setup guide, so I'll treat it as such, and what I've done is I've actually laid out a couple of chapters within the video so you can skip to different sections that would be applicable to what you're interested in looking at. So with that, let's get into the video. But super quick, Talard sent me an incredible accessory that brings physical controls to your Tesla. Talard is a brand that truly embodies sustainability and innovation, partnering with eco-friendly brands and employing a rigorous R&D process to ensure their products are not only functional, but are also of the highest quality. This multifunctional control assembly stood out to me, adding tactile feedback to an otherwise all-screen car. The tactile experience is not only just cool, but it's also a game changer, especially for those who struggle with touchscreens or have limited dexterity. This accessory can be a lifeline for anyone seeking better accessibility in their Tesla. If you're interested in adding these physical controls to your Tesla, leave a comment below, and I'll pick someone at random to receive this awesome accessory. I'll also announce the winner in an upcoming video. If you can't wait, or you just have to have these controls in your Tesla now, I've partnered with Talard to provide you with a significant discount, and you can use my link in the description below along with code Blackbird for 25% off your purchase. Big thank you for Talard for supporting the channel by sending me this product. Now back to the video. When taking delivery of your Tesla, it's important to create your driver profile and link your key to it. This ensures all your personalized settings, as well as the settings we'll be covering today, are saved and attached to your profile. I also recommend setting up a guest profile. This way, when someone drives your car, your personalized settings remain undisturbed. The second quick thing is around your mirrors and steering adjustments. While creating your driver's profile, you can also adjust your mirrors and steering positions. You can do that using the scroll wheel located on the steering wheel. The screen should direct you and show you like a little graphic on where to find that. The third setting is around opting out of data sharing. By default, data sharing is enabled in your Tesla, but for added privacy, you should consider disabling it. I cover this in more detail in a video focused on Tesla privacy, which you can watch by clicking the card above or through the link I provided in the description to that video. Next, Bluetooth settings. Make sure you set your phone as the priority device in the Bluetooth settings menu. This ensures that your car won't mistakenly connect to another phone as the primary Bluetooth device. Next thing is the AC controls. If you're taking delivery of a new Tesla off an exterior lot like I did, then the inside will more than likely be super hot. So to quickly cool down the interior, switch the AC to auto mode to rapidly cool the interior. Once the temperature is comfortable enough, turn off auto mode and set the AC to 60 degrees while lowering the fan speed for more controlled cooling. Next, let's talk about brakes and insane mode in the Model 3 Performance. You obviously bought the Performance model because you wanted to go fast, so you should consider test driving the car in insane mode, safely and responsibly, of course. This should get you familiar with using the brakes due to the fact that regen braking isn't the most effective for one-pedal driving in this car. This car's off-line performance is comparable to a supercar, so if you're not acquainted with driving something this fast, focus on using the brakes during the first week. So these are the settings I recommend for that. Following these settings will also help you brake in the brakes quicker, resulting in better brake feedback. Next up is wipers, and this is more or less a personal preference for me. I prefer to turn on the wipers manually because in the past I've owned cars with automated wipers and the system was often overly sensitive and it would activate abruptly when splashing through a small puddle or when another car's wiper fluid hit my windshield, and it would just make a streak across my windshield when the wiper is activated. The last thing is around Trip Planner, and this one's pretty important. Make sure to enable the Trip Planner option in the navigation settings. This feature allows the system to automatically add superchargers to your route if it predicts that your current battery range won't get you to your destination. I feel like turning this on would be a lifesaver for someone out there looking to plan a road trip in their Tesla. That's something I personally don't do myself, but there are people out there that do road trip their Teslas, and I have mad respect for those folks. So that is the video. As you can see, there was slight change of scenery. It actually poured down rain right after I finished filming, so I had to make a quick change, and now we're back actually on the couch. But anyway, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I typically make 2 Tesla videos per week, and I have a plethora of other content in the works currently. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to just leave a quick like, and also consider subscribing. Like I said, I make 2 Tesla videos per week. So if you enjoy content similar to this, I definitely would like to have you as a subscriber. I also make car reviews, and I have my next car review coming up pretty soon. You definitely don't want to miss that. I also wanted to give a quick shout out to Jeff, my first Patreon. If you'd like to become a Patreon, definitely check out the link in the description below. You get a number of great perks, and you can learn more about that on the Patreon page in the description below. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.